How about creating a Pixar style cartoon movie without the big budget and all of the animation, editing, directing skills? If you're looking to create something like that, then this software is going to be something that you need to absolutely look at. This is called as Rocket Videos. It is going to be released in a few hours from now. I've already had first-hand access to the software, and the capabilities that this software has is simply amazing. Starting from storyboarding to creating cartoon images and cartoon movies, you can do pretty much anything that you can imagine using this software. Let me quickly walk you through the sales page for this software, and then I'll show you a quick demo of how this software works and what all are the capabilities of this software. And I'll also give you a quick rundown of some of the key features which you'll be able to see on the screen here, and then you can decide if this is something that you need to look at. Now, the best part about this software is that unlike most of the other AI softwares out there is no monthly subscription to it. For a one-time charge, yeah, you only get a few credits, but those number of credits are good enough for you to create maybe about 50, 60 odd videos. But if you're looking for a recurring credit every month, then they also have an option for that. But other than that, this is one software where you don't have to pay monthly subscription fees and get all of the features that most premium softwares out there offer. So let us quickly look at the web page for this software, then a quick demo, and then I'll come back and show you what are some of the key features of the software and why is it that I think this software is something that you should go with. Okay, so here is the sales page for RocketVideos.ai. Rocket Videos, the software that I spoke about. You can see here on this page itself, you'll be able to see the demo of this video, and you can see this software in live action. I'll leave a link to this sales page in some time. It is going to be launched in some time from now. But here are some of the images that have been created by this video, and I can tell you that the image quality is absolutely amazing. And the best part about the software is that there is a consistency in characters. So a lot of times you would have seen that when you are generating characters or pictures or images of people using AI, there is inconsistency in the characters that have been created. But this software has amazing consistency. So if you're creating a storyboard or storyline using one character, that character can be repeatedly created easily without any problems with this software. Then you have a lot of different scenes that you can customize. You have a lot of different background music, voices. So you can use all of these and you can create videos. Now, let me quickly show you a quick demo of this video to see what the capabilities of this software is. So in order to start creating your video, you just need to enter a prompt. And once you have your prompt, you can select the language, and then you can select what kind of video you want to create. Is it a story, explainer, pitch, tutorial? So you can select that and then go and select if you want to include characters. You can select what kind of video you are doing. Let's go with a 3D cartoon video and then click on generate, and the software goes about generating the video. Now, what the software does is it gives you an entire content outline, a story outline. You just gave them a one prompt, but it gave you a complete story outline. You can go ahead and edit each of the characters. You can edit the story outline. So you can edit that before you actually go about doing it. Now, for example, if I want to change this particular character, all that you need to do is just enter how you want this character to look and click on generate, and it will generate a different character. So you can see now the character has a long hair, and on the left hand side you can enter any special instructions that you want, and once that is done you just click on generate and it goes about generating the storyboard. Now you can see here that this is a storyboard for this particular story that we are generating. It has different scenes, it has different dialogues, which is a narrator based video that we are doing. So it has different dialogues, and you can go about changing anything, pretty much anything on it. You can change the dialogues that are there. You can change the voiceover. You can change a media. Like for example, in this particular media, if we want to change this scene from this character sitting on the swing to this character standing on the swing, all that you need to do is just change the prompt there, and the software will go about making that change. You can see here we'll enter the weather and click on save, and you can select what kind of a shot you want, and once that is done, just regenerate media and it will regenerate the media. Now the best part about this software is that you can even edit this media. Now in this media you can see that there is a small mistake, which is there are two swing ropes appearing. So if you want to remove that one rope, all that you need to do is just use the generative fill option that is there on the software, select the eraser option and select the area that you want to be erased, and the software will erase it. So it is that simple, and it is pretty fast. So all that you need to do is just click the button and it is done. You have options of selecting different narrators, different voiceover characters. You have the option of integrating 11 labs into your account, and you can even select different background music and sound effects. When you click on generate, you can see how fast the software generates a video, and you have your video ready. You can see this is an image based video, and you can see there are subtitles. You can go ahead and change the design for the subtitles. You can go about customizing pretty much anything. You can change the particular scenes. You can change the images that are showing up in the scenes. So customization is available in whatever way you want. There are a ton of things that you can do in terms of customizing for this particular video that you've generated. And there are a ton of ways you can customize even the subtitles for this video. So those are some options that are available, which are very easy to do. You can replace these with your own videos if you want to do that. You can change the orientation of the images from a landscape to a portrait, or whichever way you want to do that. So those are some other customizations that are available. And so like what I said, this is just one thing that you can do with this video: adding transitions, adding background music, sound effects. Pretty much everything is possible, including transitions, and all of that can be done with a click of a button. So that is the kind of flexibility that you have with the software. It's pretty easy to use, very user friendly. The UI is pretty easy. So that's Rocket Videos for you. So now that you've seen the sales page and a demo of this software, let us quickly look at some of the key features of the software. Now, these are some of the features that make this software stand out from the rest of the software in the market. Now, one is there is very little effort in creating a video using AI. The prompting is pretty easy, and the software understands the prompts pretty easily. So you don't have to be a prompting engineer to go about creating a video. This is one software where you can substitute your content writing tool, your image generation tool, voiceovers, music tracks. Pretty much everything is clubbed into this one software. It supports almost about 29 plus languages, which is an amazing thing. You can save a lot of time. It is very cost effective because there are no monthly fees. You can see the software is available for a one-time fee. You get an X number of credits that you can use. But if you want a recurring credits, then you can always go with the monthly subscription option as well, which is also available with this software. It is perfect for all kind of creators. If you are into YouTube, you are into content creation, video creation business, or you are a freelancer, pretty much everybody, this software is amazing. It comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied for any reason, you can take your money back within 30 days. And the best part is that it comes with commercial license included, which means that you can create videos and sell them to your clients and customers and make money out of. So if you can sell 2 or 3 such videos for about $47 to $50, then you've already made the money that you've spent on the software. The remaining amount is profitable. This is one feature that absolutely recommends that you should go with this software. Once again, you'll be able to find a link to the software in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out and go ahead and try it out for yourself. And if you're not satisfied for any reason, you obviously have the 30-day money back guarantee. But I don't think there is any reason why you will want to return it, because the software is simply amazing. I've tried it, I've used it. You can see the demo. It's one amazing piece of software. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or if you have any feedback, you can drop them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification and give this video a thumbs up. That is all that I have for this video. I'll be back again with another review video. Until then, keep watching. This is goodbye from Dilip.